Hey everyone, today I want to talk about a significant event that has captured the nation's attention. Former First Lady Melania Trump has recently broken her silence following an attempt on her husband's life, calling for unity and peace among Americans. In a rare public statement, Melania emphasized the need for the nation to come together during these challenging times. She stressed the importance of respectful dialogue and finding common ground, despite our political differences. This message couldn't come at a more crucial time, as the country faces heightened political tension and polarization. To give you some background, the nation was recently shaken by an attempt on the life of a prominent political figure. This event has sparked widespread condemnation and calls for increased security measures. Law enforcement officials have apprehended a suspect and investigations are ongoing to determine the motive behind the attack. This incident has understandably raised concerns about the safety of public figures and the potential for further violence. It's also fueled debates about the heated political climate and the urgent need for greater civility and respect in our conversations. Melania's call for unity has resonated with many who are deeply concerned about the divisive political climate. Despite mixed reactions, some praising her message, others criticizing her husband's role in the current political landscape, her words serve as an important reminder of the need for civility and respect in public discourse. Looking towards the future, this event has left many Americans feeling anxious and uncertain. However, there's also a sense of hope, a hope that this incident will serve as a wake-up call, prompting a collective effort to address the challenges facing the nation. Leaders from across the political spectrum have condemned the violence and called for unity. There's a growing recognition that the current level of political polarization is unsustainable. Meaningful dialogue and compromise are essential for the health of the nation. Moving forward, it's crucial for Americans to engage in constructive conversations about the issues that divide us. This will require empathy, understanding, and a willingness to listen to perspectives different from our own. Only through such efforts can we begin to heal and move towards a more united future. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates. Stay safe and let's work together for a better tomorrow.